And coming to the next program, that's to find out the maximum number in an array. So here already written a program. So let's take whatever the array size you have taken. So in that array, if here I have taken array size of 5. So 5 elements I have to read from the keyboard, and in that 5 elements I have to find out which one is the maximum element. So for that, the code is, first you need to write the printf enter elements for the array. I have taken 3 variables of array A of size 5, and I is for loop, and max is for finding out the maximum number, and that variable max variable for storing the maximum number. For I is equal to 0, I less than 5, because I had taken array of size 5, so I should be less than 5. If you start I is equal to 0, and then it up to fourth value, 0 to 4, total 5 numbers. For is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus. Then write the scanf. You have to read each value from the keyboard. So for that, ampersand a of 5. For this scanf, you have written the for loop for a of 0. First 0 element you have to read, and the first location you have to read. So up to 4. A of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. So after that, you have to take one element as a base element. For that element, you have to check. So the first element a of 0 is assigned maximum value. So whatever the value that you entered first, you are checking that value. Is the first element less than second element? No. Okay, if the suppose the maximum first element is less than a of 1, the second element, so then maximum is equal to a of 5. So like that the loop will be continued, means it's checking is the first element less than second element. Okay, then skip is the first element is less than third element, like that it is checking, and it print the maximum value in all those 5 elements. So now let's compile the program. No error. Run the program. So try to enter the 5 elements in an array. So in this 5 elements, here I entered the elements as 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Total 5 elements I entered. So in that 5 element, it has to print the maximum number. So in this 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, the maximum number is of 9. So that number it prints. So this is how to write the program, the way to write the program for finding the maximum number in array. So the main concept here I want to explain about that, how to declare the array variables, and how to use the array variables, read array variables. So for reading the array, you need to write compulsorily for loop. The for loop is to read every element in an array. After that, you need to print that element. Okay, thank you.